The following message is transmitted at the request of the Central of Diseases Control. The Central of Diseases Control have discovered that all Thanksgiving dinner contaminated for an unknown reason. It is unknown why all of the Thanksgiving dinner is contaminated, but scientists had found the symptoms after eating Thanksgiving dinner. These symptoms include or not limited to coughing, sweating, nausea, pale skin, bleeding from the mouth and nose, and most certain death. If you experience any of these symptoms, call 911. All residents of the United States are advised to not eat any Thanksgiving dinner to avoid experiencing these symptoms. Stay tuned for more information of this upcoming situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Central of Diseases Control. The Central of Diseases Control have discovered the cause of this unknown Thanksgiving contamination. The cause of this unknown Thanksgiving contamination was due to an unknown rare virus called the bad luck turkey. In addition, over 1 million people die due to eating the bad luck turkey. All residents of the United States are advised to stay away from the bad luck turkey as far as possible. If you still have turkey or any kind of Thanksgiving dinner, do not dispose them as they need to be disposed in a proper manner. Instead, put the Thanksgiving dinner in a small container. A Marine will come and dispose them in a proper manner. The Central of Diseases Control is still looking for a cure to this situation. Stay tuned for more updates on this upcoming situation. Civil danger warning for the city of Phoenix, Arizona. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Central of Diseases Control. The situation dealing with a bad luck turkey has worsened. There have been reports of Thanksgiving turkey coming back alive unexpectedly and constantly biting and eating people alive, which is causing people's body to react and turn into these bad luck turkey creatures. All residents of the United States are advised to do the following instructions. If you see these turkey creatures, lock your doors immediately and call 911. If one of these creatures break into your house, defend yourself by hitting them with a bat or any other material. If you see someone getting bit, run as far away as possible to avoid being bitten or eaten by these creatures. If you got bit by one of these creatures, kill yourself immediately to avoid turning into one of these creatures. In addition, the President of the United States along with the military is having a hard time killing these creatures. Stay tuned for more updates on this dangerous situation. May God help us all.
Yo, this is your host Tarek, and I am here speaking at the 102.3 FM radio station with some very important news about the bad luck turkey. So, over these past few hours there had been multiple reports of people turning into these bad luck turkeys and eating more people, which is causing them to turn into one of these turkeys. And unfortunately, everybody at the Central of Diseases Control had been bitten and or eaten by these creatures. And unfortunately, the Central of Diseases Control had found no cure to this situation. We must defend ourselves from these creatures in order to survive. I repeat, we must defend ourselves from these creatures in order to survive. There is literally people outside screaming their heads off constantly, running away, looking for shelter, and some of the citizens are defending themselves and risking their lives to take death. On the other hand, I need to get out of here fast before it's too late. Wait, what the heck was that? No, what did I even do? Let me go, you stupid fatty creature.
We interrupt your regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, This is not a test. At 9:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, there have been reports of the bad luck turkey creature being reported all over the United States and the world. I repeat, there have been reports of the bad luck turkey creature being reported all over the United States and the world. These dangerous creatures are so dangerous that reports of nuclear bombs, radioactive material, and catastrophic damage all reported in one day due to these dangerous creatures. The President of the United States along with the military have all been dead and turned into one of these creatures. Since there is very few humans left on Earth, there is nothing we can do to stop these creatures from attacking. There is no reason to stay calm. Go into panic mode. All residents of the United States, gather your friends and family and pray for the moments for the final time. This is the Emergency Alert System Guy David signing off for the final time with our national anthem. Please stand by as we conclude the final activation of the Emergency Alert System.